A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a surprising turn of events, a federal judge in Maryland has temporarily blocked the deportation of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, an infamous illegal alien with ties to the MS-13 gang. This decision comes just hours after U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, took him into custody, following his earlier release from jail. The Department of Homeland Security, DHS, has described the judge as unhinged for her ruling, which has sparked a significant outcry from various political factions. Abrego Garcia, who has been indicted by a grand jury for human trafficking, was initially deported to El Salvador earlier this year due to an administrative error. After being brought back to the U.S., he was charged with serious crimes and faced the prospect of being sent to Uganda. However, Judge Paulazines has intervened, stating that the government has not sufficiently demonstrated that he would not face harm if deported to Uganda. She emphasized that deporting him to a country where he has no connections raises serious constitutional concerns. The judge's ruling has put a halt to the government's plans, at least temporarily, as she considers extending the restraining order against his deportation. Abrego Garcia's legal team has been vocal about their belief that the government's actions are punitive, aimed at coercing him into pleading guilty to charges of human smuggling. They argue that his detention is unjustified, especially considering that he was previously under ankle monitoring and effectively on house arrest. The case has raised questions about the broader implications of immigration policy and the treatment of individuals with criminal records. Meanwhile, the Trump administration has been quick to label Abrego Garcia as a criminal, using his case to rally support for stricter immigration measures. Secretary of Homeland Security Kristi Noem has publicly condemned him, stating that he poses a threat to American citizens. As the legal battle continues, the fate of Abrego Garcia remains uncertain, with a hearing on his status expected to take place soon. This case is emblematic of the ongoing struggles within the U.S. immigration system, where legal, ethical, and safety concerns collide. The outcome could have significant ramifications for similar cases in the future, as advocates for both tougher immigration enforcement and the rights of individuals facing deportation closely monitor the developments. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.